How's it, Dan? Welcome back to Nifty Media. Today we're going to be cleaning some wheels. So pretty much what I've done is this is not the same stuff in this bottle. So pretty much what I'm doing is I'm just spraying down everything and then taking my little brush and trying to pretty much brush out all the little bits, all the little crevices and stuff like that. Get it like a foamy. Okay, and then I've got my trusty little brush. Now I'm trying to get in here by the brakes and stuff like that. So I must say the AMG brakes are pretty cool. The red stands out quite nicely once you've got them clean, but they get dirty very, very, very fast. Now, sorry about that, get my trusty old brush, as you guys can see, and now I'm just scraping all that dirt off the tires. And if it starts getting brown, then you know you're doing something right. Step number 2, like 5, whatever. Check that out, that's awesome, you guys. I'm doing our 4th and final wheel. Pretty much just use the brush in the parts where I can't get a cloth in, you know what I mean? So, like wheel lug nuts, that kind of stuff in between badges, and it actually works. And then obviously brakes. That's another thing that I must say helps a lot, just keeping brakes clean, because check it, you'll see there's a lot of brake dust, and keeping them clean is actually one of the most important things that I've figured out. So like and subscribe, everybody, like and subscribe. I hope you guys are doing that and enjoying the content, because it's only going to get better. And we're doing the last wheel. So after this I'm going to dry them off, and then I'll show you guys what the end product looks like.